Well, sick shirt, bro. Okay, slow.
How's it going, everybody? It's going good here. Today now we are heading to Excessive to get the new 370 cubic inch LS tuned. It's been installed for a couple weeks now, but I've been just busy with life and everything like that. And yesterday I went and picked up a new tow rig. And that is the new truck that will be pulling the race trailer everywhere. As you guys can see, the race trailer is still behind the Explorer there. I was gonna go load the truck into the trailer today, and my door decided to break the hinge, so I'm borrowing my buddy Chase's trailer. So when you see me again, I'll be over at Excessive and we'll be making some power. Well, we're back at the house here. Today at Excessive, it went amazing. We did run into a couple boosting issues. I did loosen a couple V-bands up. Everything's like hard welded, so there's no flex and nothing. So to get stuff to line up on the V-bands is a little challenging. But I just loosened some V-bands and we got those all set together and everything. Then we were able to start adding more boost and going from there. The truck performed flawlessly. There's nothing wrong with it. It drove back on the trailer, drove off the trailer into the driveway. I'm just ready to let this trans brake go on this thing. I know we have a local no prep coming on September 25th. We'll be doing that. We're going to be doing small tire class in that. And then I might go south, south to Mexico to do some street racing stuff. Depends on what's all going on, in the southern areas. I know up here in South Dakota it's getting pretty cold of an evening, like 40s and 50s. It's boost weather, but it is getting cold, so not many people are going out anymore. But we stopped today at about 19.5, 20 pounds. It performed flawlessly. We're making more power than this thing has ever made before, and it loved every single minute of it. I do think we need to get a fuel pump. I'm gonna order a Aeromotive brushless 5.0 pump. We are maxing this Holley 1800 out. It's been a good pump. I've been running it for 4 years now, not a single issue, and I don't really maintain my stuff well, so I think I've only changed the fuel filter in it once, and it's never doubted me. It's a good pump, and I probably will just keep it around for a spare in case anything happens. But I think the next time you'll see the S10 is we'll be doing burnouts and we'll be doing rips. I don't know if it'll be on the street or on the track, but I know the 25th we'll be doing no prep at the track. So